In this video, we'll show you how to make FiveM full screen. If you find this useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. So if your FiveM is not full screen, I'm going to show you how to fix it right now. Go to your Windows search bar and type app data with the percentage signs at the beginning and the end, just like this. And here, look for Citizen FX folder. Inside it, you'll see GTA 5 settings XML. Right click on it, select open with, and then select notepad. Now scroll down until you find screen width and screen height. These are your resolution settings, and if you want your FiveM to be full screen, you have to input the correct resolution of your screen. Here's how you can check it. Right click on your desktop and then select display settings. Scroll down to the display resolution section. You'll see the recommended resolution for your screen. For me, it's 1920 by 1080. Now let's go back to the notepad. Here, the screen width is correct, 1920, and the screen height is 1080, like that. And after you've done that, you can save it. Go to File on the top left corner and then click Save. Let's open up FiveM, and it should launch in full screen without any issues.